Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up Podcast, the place where you improve your English by listening, repeating, and speaking every day.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is all about daily English conversation practice.
That's right. We will help you practice real English conversations that native speakers use every day.
So if you're ready,
Let's begin.
good morning, Mia.
Good morning, Leo. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. And you?
I'm feeling wonderful.
That's good to hear. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Did you wake up easily?
Not really. I wanted to sleep a little longer.
I know that feeling.
How about you?
I woke up at 6:30.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, but I like starting my day early.
That's a great habit.
Listen and repeat. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I wanted to sleep a little longer. I like starting my day early. That's a great habit.
Leo, what did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs and toast.
Sounds delicious.
It was.
I had cereal and a banana.
That's healthy.
I try to eat healthy food every morning.
Breakfast is important.
Absolutely.
It gives us energy for the day.
Exactly.
Repeat after me. I had eggs and toast. I had cereal and a banana. Breakfast is important. It gives us energy for the day. What do you usually do after breakfast?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed.
That's my routine too.
Then I check my phone and emails.
Do you spend a lot of time on your phone?
Sometimes.
Me too.
I'm trying to reduce my screen time.
That's a smart idea.
Repeat. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I'm trying to reduce my screen time.
Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat slowly. Routine. Routine. Energy. Energy. Healthy. Healthy. Habit. Habit. Excellent. How was work today?
It was busy.
Did you have many tasks?
Yes, I had several meetings.
Were they productive?
Most of them were.
That's good.
How about your day?
I worked on a new project.
Interesting.
It was challenging, but I enjoyed it.
That's the best kind of work.
I agree.
Repeat after us. It was busy. I had several meetings. Most of them were productive. It was challenging, but I enjoyed it. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's beautiful outside.
The sun is shining.
And the sky is clear.
Perfect weather for a walk.
Definitely.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Rainy days can be relaxing as well.
That's true.
The weather is nice today. The sun is shining. The sky is clear. Perfect weather for a walk. Now let's test your listening.
Listen carefully.
What did Mia have for breakfast?
The answer is cereal and a banana.
Great job if you got it right.
I need to go shopping later.
What do you need to buy?
Some fruit, vegetables, and milk.
That's not a long list.
Hopefully not.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Sometimes.
What's your favorite thing to buy?
Books.
That's a great answer.
What about you?
I like buying gadgets.
I'm not surprised.
Repeat. I need to go shopping later. What do you need to buy? Some fruit, vegetables, and milk. I like buying gadgets. Hi, Mia. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
How have you been?
I've been great.
What have you been up to?
I've been studying English every day.
That's excellent.
Consistency is important.
Absolutely.
Small progress every day leads to big results.
I couldn't agree more.
Repeat. Nice to see you. How have you been? I've been studying English every day. Consistency is important.
Repeat with confidence.
Speak loudly and clearly.
I can improve my English.
I practice every day.
I am becoming more confident.
I enjoy learning English.
Excellent.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What would you like to order?
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a chocolate muffin.
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Repeat. I'd like a cappuccino, please. Anything else? A chocolate muffin. You're welcome. Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions aloud.
What time did you wake up today?
What did you have for breakfast?
How is the weather today?
What are your plans for tomorrow?
Great work!
You've done an amazing job today.
Remember, fluency comes from daily practice.
Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
Keep improving.
And most importantly,
Never give up.
thank you for listening to Speak Up Podcast.
We'll see you in part 2 with more daily English conversations.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.